Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add extension in Chrome Android. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So if you have been wanting to do that, what you need to do is you're simply gonna go ahead, open up your Chrome. And normally when you open up your Chrome, like you add extension, normally you should be able to add an extension, right? But unfortunately, for you to add a extension in your Chrome, you need to have a special build Chrome called Chromium. So you need to get your Chromium. You can simply download and install a Chromium build that supports extensions for Android. Once you have installed that, you're going to open up the Chrome Web Store. Then you're going to go to Chrome Web Store. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, and then you're going to download the Chrome. You're gonna go to Chrome Web Store in your Chromium. Once you have accessed the Chromium, then go to the Chrome Web Store and then find and install the extension, and then tap on Add to Chrome. Then simply go to Manage Extensions, where you will go to the Chromium's menu and find the extension section to manage your installed extensions. You're gonna simply test the extensions to you ensure it's working as expected, and then you can go ahead and add the extension on your Chrome. Now you need to know you can add the extension like uBlock Origin or Dark Reader as well through Chrome Web Store. So that is it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.